Hey there, welcome back to another video on our channel Grow with Ranjit Raj, and today we are going to talk about updating brand colors on Canva. And I'm going to explain how you can update your brand colors both in Canva free as well as Canva Pro account. Now, if you have a Canva account, you might have a Pro subscription, you might not. But in both ways, it's very helpful if you update your brand colors so that whenever you're creating a design, it becomes very easy for you to just click on the color and it's just right there. Okay, it makes your work easy when everything is handy. So that is why we are going to select the colors of our choice. So I've already selected a color palette, this one. It's kind of a black color, yellow color and white color. So this is what I'm going to update. Regarding how many colors should you have, I would suggest you should at least start with 2 to 3 colors. If you are experienced, then of course you can experiment with more colors. But when you are starting off, 2 to 3 colors are safe. Now, first let's understand how you can update your color palette in free Canva. Okay, this is a free Canva account. It's under Ranjit's personal account. Now, when you come here on the home page on canva.com and just log in with your account, with your free account, you will see that for Brand Hub, it is showing that there is a crown, which means it's a pro option. But when you click on that and when you scroll through, you will find something called color palette. Although there is a pro option, but you can add up to 3 colors in free too. Okay, so that's really helpful. Anyways, you need just 3 colors. So let's just go ahead and use it. So first I will take the hex code. The first hex code is 181F1C. Okay, so I'll just go here and click on this color and I'll write 181F. What was the color? 181F1C. Okay, and 1C. Okay, so I got this color, this black color. Then I'll go to the next one. What is the next one? F0F66E. Okay, F0F66E. Okay, I got the yellow color also. What's the last one? F0F8EA. So just click here, F0F8EA. Okay, was that the right one? F0F8EA. Yes, correct. So if you can see, we got the same colors over here as well. And now you can rename it as well. Suppose I want to call it Ranjit Raj Palette. Alright, so I can go ahead and rename it. But now if you want to add new color, it will ask you to upgrade. So anyways, we are fine with it. Now let's see how it will work. So when you are going to, let's open any template. Okay, let's just write Instagram post. So when we open any of the posts over here, let's say we open this one. Okay, and here when I'm trying to change the colors, I can go to the styles option and here you can see that the Ranjit Raj palette has been updated. So when I click on that, automatically the colors will start changing. Can you see that? How cool that is? And this option is available on free. Okay, so this is how you update your color palette in free account, free Canva account. Let's see how we can do it in Pro account. This is a Pro account. This is our team account, like me and Ranjit together work on this account. So here you can see that the crown is not highlighted in yellow. It means that you already have Pro. So you come here and click on this in Brand Kit. Now you can see that there are so many color palettes over here because whatever clients I work with, whatever projects I work on, I keep on updating all these color palettes. Okay, that's why you can see so many colors, but there are just a few when it comes to the free one. Now how to add here? You just click on add new and add palette and add a custom palette. Okay, when you do that, at the very bottom you will see that a new palette has been added. Same goes here. Let's call it Ranjit Raj palette. Okay, and let's add the colors. Let's add random colors over here. Suppose I have this color, then I have, let's say, this orange color, and then I have this white color. Okay, so my color palette has been added. Now if I want to, now the problem is that as there are so many palettes, it will be difficult for you to scroll down to the very bottom. If this is very handy for you, like you want to keep it handy, then what do? So you just click on this option and click on reorder palettes. This means that you will be able to send it upwards. So you can keep on sending it upwards. It's going to take a while. So while I do that, one thing, if you like our videos, please go ahead and let us know in the comment section what exactly do you like about it, because it gives us a lot of motivation to make more and more videos. Other than that, if you have something specific that you would like us to create, then do let me know in the comment section again. I will go ahead and create content around that. If you are someone who wants to know Canva or learn Canva in a better way, we have a full Canva tutorial. I will add the description. I'll add the link and everything in the description box, so you can go ahead and check over there. And now I think I have almost reached the top. And let's see. Okay, I have a few more. So let's hold our horses and done. So can you see now it is at the top, and I'll just click on tick, which means it's done. Now let's see if this works or not. So again, I'll do the same thing. I'll go to Canva, okay, and I will try to create a design. So let's do the same thing. I'll write Instagram post open, and now let's just pick up any design. Let's say, let's take this one, customize, okay. And now I'm just going to click on styles, and you can see that there are many of many color templates available based on what I have updated, but I will take the first one because I have sent it upwards. It is reflecting over here. I'll just click, and you will see that the colors are also changing based on that. Now let's use a different template where we have more colors. Let's use the same one that I used in the last one. So here, let's try. Okay, can you see how beautifully the colors have been added? So this is how you can add color palettes to your Canva free or pro account. If you want to learn Canva in depth and you want a course from where you can learn from A to Z, then make sure you can just check out the description box. We have a full-fledged Canva course where you will learn everything about Canva. So go check it out, and I'll see you in the next video.